Did you notice anything else? This is my new setup. This is just amazing on the way in here. All this beautiful grass too. What is that? They were swarming around my van so much that it sounds like it's raining. It was that bad. Okay, so I just wanted to show you my hair grow out. So this is 1.5 months, almost 2 months of gray grow out. You can see it's getting to be a lot longer there. This is the other side. And then the back, I don't think the back has as much. It's a very hot and humid day today. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. I've been sweating my butt off. Have the van on right now because it's just sweltering. It's only like, it's supposed to be 85 today, but the humidity is outrageous, like 1,000%. You know what I mean when I say that. 100% I think is all they go up to. All right, I just wanted to tell you guys really quick, we are headed out of here today. Probably, most likely, as long as my next Amazon package actually arrives. It's supposed to be here today. It says it'll be delivered by 10 p.m. It's usually delivered early afternoon, and it's right around noon right now. So I have to go back to Walmart because I forgot the Thermacell mosquito protector. I have all the cartridges, but not the Thermacell actual device. So where I'm going, there's probably gonna be mosquitoes. It's a forest. On the list today, I just actually got through doing laundry, so we can mark that off. I haven't done the freshwater fill. I need gas. We're gonna add to this. We're gonna go to Walmart and then pick up package and mail stickers. You guys are amazing. I have a ton more sticker orders going out today. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more sticker orders going out today. So Paige and Ray over in Pinellas Place, Florida, thank you so much. Karen over in Ann Arbor, Michigan. Shelly in Tempe, Arizona. I was trying to say Tempe the way that Arizonans say it. I always said Tempe. They say Tempe. Tempe, there's a hard E. Suzanne from Manassas, Virginia. Norma from San Fernando, California. And Danny from Burlington, Vermont. Thank you guys so much. These are all going out today. Over here in South Carolina. Did you like my southern accent? Did you notice anything else? What do you see? Nose piercing. I took it out. I know. It was starting to be a pain in the butt. So I got a couple of keloids right there, which are just these small bumps. A lot of times it's because you accidentally hit it or you mess with it, or it could be getting an infection. I know mine's not an infection. I banged it a couple of times. I just was like, I'm so tired of this, to be honest with you. The whole messing with the sea salt soak, the keloids on it. The keloids weren't bad. Those will go away with the sea salt soaks, but I kept getting them and then hitting it and snagging it, and you can't put makeup around it, and it takes like 3 to 6 months to heal, really about 6 months. And so I did have some other jewelry, and I thought that's smaller than what that was. I didn't like that particular one that was in there because it had the titanium around the jewel, and it just looked way too big to me. It's not my preference, but that's what I had to start out with. I just wanted to take it out and be done with it. And the other thing too, there was a problem. So I've talked about this before. The bridge of my nose is very, very tiny. It's narrow. And so when I have those brown glasses on that are plastic, they tend to fall, you know, on my nose, and so I push them up, but they would hit that nose piercing, and so I just couldn't wear them. And I need to wear, I have contacts, and a few other glasses, which is why you've seen the metal glasses on me recently. All right, guys, Walmart is done. Have I done anything else? No, I still have these to do. I just got notification that my package from Amazon is in. It's over at the Whole Foods. So I'm gonna run over there, grab the package, and yeah, we're getting there, we're getting there. But I wanted to show you something that I got at Walmart. So I'm gonna have to switch cameras to show you. Okay, so I've switched over to my iPhone now. So here's what I wanted to show you. So here's the kind of, you know, the front of the van, and I have my camera sitting on this rug. Well, this is brand new. I'm always accessing my camera from the driver's seat, and sometimes I just need to put the camera somewhere. And a lot of times I stick it right here where Lily's at, but Lily doesn't like it there. It encroaches on her space, and she gets lots of nose prints on the lenses. So I thought this was a pretty good idea here. I found it. I was like, what can I find at Walmart when I'm in there? Just 2 stackable boxes. And I bought these 2 little rugs to cushion everything. They're nice and soft. Then I can just throw my camera down in here and I don't have to worry about anything getting broken. And it's out of Lily's way. It's out of my way. I can easily move it around. Yeah. So, oh, and I don't think I've showed you. This is my new setup. I've always had this Gorilla Pod here, but I added this Ulanzi ball joint, and the camera of course is new, but I can put my microphone right here, and then the microphone actually can turn, so then it turns the other way. So I can get my voice from behind or in the front, and then there's my Canon camera. I added this cold shoe mount at the top so I can actually put a few lights on there when I need light at night. But I love it. It's nice and still compact. I can put the microphone up on top if I want still, but I like it to the side with this because I can just easily move that back and forth. All right, picked up the package. Should be my filters, my ND filters, and they are sweet. Thank you guys so much for your sticker orders. They're on their way. Picked up the packages. I just mailed the stickers, and we're getting gas right now. Tell you what, I am so ready to be out of here. Sometimes I don't like these days where I have like a ton of stuff to do to get out, and it's getting late in the day. It's already 2:45, and I still have a video to edit for tomorrow. Yeah, I'm still behind. This looks like a nice KOA. There's a beautiful little lake pond over here. We're just coming here to get some water. I've actually never stayed at a KOA. Most of the time at KOAs, the ones that I've seen, they haven't been really great. So, but this might be an exception. I filled up with water. So freshwater tank is done. Looks like I've done everything. We're headed out to the National Forest. Fingers crossed it doesn't rain. It's supposed to rain today. Forgot to tell you guys that part. So if it doesn't rain, we're gonna be good, and we'll be able to camp for hopefully a little, up to 14 days out there actually. Wow, this is so beautiful out here. This is the entrance to the area that we're going to.
Continue for 3 miles.
Gotta go down this road for 3 miles. It's very, very beautiful through here. It's a small dirt road, not too bad. Seems to be well maintained so far. So we have some information here just as you pull in. So it just talks about fishing. Doesn't apply to us really, we're not fishing. No public boat launches, no direct access to coastal reserve. Notice to the public, turkey hunting will be every Saturday, April 1st through 30th. I don't see anything else out here. What do we have in here? A map. Oh, it's a trail map. All right, I'm gonna take this with us. They have lots of good information over there for us, and it's beautiful. Oh, I love just being out here. The trees. Yeah. Hopefully it's nice. We're gonna continue on, and hopefully it doesn't rain. Oh, yeah. It's getting a little rougher right here, but not bad. This is just amazing on the way in here. All this beautiful grass too. Lily's gonna love it. We're still 0.4 miles away. Oh, look, we've got the handshake of trees. Just incredible, guys, incredible. Oh, she's pretty, pretty. I seriously hope it's this beautiful when we get to our site. It's hit or miss sometimes. It can be really beautiful and nice and level, and sometimes it can be really crazy and unlevel and just hard to find a site, especially if there's water or anything near it. What is that? All right, guys, wish me luck. I'm going outside. We're here, but I see black flies, and they were swarming around my van so much that it sounds like it's raining. It was that bad. But I don't know if it's because I just came in. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Yeah. Hopefully they just don't bite me. Just stay away. That's all we need to have happen. Stay away. Oh, my God. It is beautiful out here, but I don't know about these flies. Dang it. Maybe they just won't be bad tomorrow? I don't know. When it sounds like it's raining on your van because they're hitting it when you first came in. But I'm looking at my arms. Okay, I'm just testing because I don't want to be afraid. You know? Just don't want to get bit. That's the thing. Okay. Maybe it's just because it's the time of day outside right now, with it being, you know, closer to evening. Okay. I'm gonna attempt to do this, get rid of my fear. But guys, it is phenomenal here. I can't believe this place. It's called Santee National Wildlife Refuge, I think is the name of it. It's a national forest. There's 8 different spots over here. Everybody has their own picnic table. You can see over here. And then this is a huge area. This is all my area right here, this whole thing. And then I have a picnic table. I don't even think anybody can park over there. So I have this whole area. That's the road to come in on. And then this is like a half circle over here. I put my bike rack up until I get another bike. Yes, this is the current state of affairs right now. I had to take my hat off, so I've got a red mark up there right now. Because it's hot. It's hot. And you know what? I keep saying that. It's humid. Let me rephrase. It's humid. So it makes it feel really hot. But I got the fan right on me. It's gonna sit here for a minute. I got all my clothes and stuff put up from washing. Oh my goodness, I'm so red. Yeah, I get really flushed when it's humid like this. Oh my God, guys. Look at my hair. My gray's growing out too. Look at that. Yeah, I've got to work now. I've got to edit this video. It's gonna take me a couple of hours probably to edit the video, and then the upload speed here I checked, well, the download speed is phenomenal on AT&T and Verizon. Upload speed, however, not so great on either of them. Talking like maybe 5 up. So yeah, might take all night for this video to upload. We'll see what happens. Lily, what are you doing? What? Why? Do you want to get down? Come on, get down. What? Do you just want some belly rubs? Do you want some belly rubs? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Do you want to go eat dinner? You want to eat dinner? No, you just want more belly rubs? He's like, oh girl. Do you just want more belly rubs? Come on. What are you doing? What are you doing, silly? Ready? High five. High five. Lily, what you doing? Lily has decided that she needs to go outside. And guess what? It's dark outside and there's buggies. So, of course, I'm her mom. I gotta take her outside, and it's really dark outside too. So that means if I put any light out there, then all the bugs are gonna come towards me. So catch 22, right? So here's what we got going on. I bought this Thermacell at Walmart today. It's supposed to keep mosquitoes, bugs away, I guess. So I've got the cartridge in there, and it says that you just have to turn it from off to on and then start it after just 5 seconds, and then hopefully that'll keep them away from us. I'm covered up. I got bug spray on me. Maybe I should put this over my head. This is awful, guys. Seriously. All right, and then I've got my Thermacell. It's ready to go. Poor Lily, she's waiting for me, so we're gonna go. One really has to question their sanity if this is worth it or not. It's humid, and there's bugs everywhere. And now there's bugs inside my van. Okay, Amber, breathe. Yeah. And the other thing too is it's so dark outside. I don't know what wildlife is around here, but there were signs that said, make sure you stay in your camper at night. So probably should have checked that out to find out what was over here. I'm thinking like bears or cougars or something, but we survived. We're back in the van. For tonight's dinner, we're having Atkins, and look, it's even sweating because it's so hot here and humid. Are you tired of me saying this yet? I know, I'm tired of saying it too. I'm not feeling so joyous right now. Yeah. All right. You know, just change my attitude a little bit here. It's because I'm hot. I don't like it. I'm just sweating, and it's, you know, 9:30 at night. Anyways, guys, I'm sorry for my complaining right now. It is just part of the story tonight. I hope you guys are out there story chasing. That's what story chasing is all about. I'm laughing. Yeah, it is a story. So I'll be telling this story all next year when I'm going, do you remember when I was on the East Coast and all those bugs ate me and it was hot and humid and I stuck it out because I wanted to see the East Coast? Yeah. 500 bites later. You'd think I'd lose at least 25 pounds from all the sweating I've been doing. I don't know what the deal is. All right, guys, I am going to hang it up. You guys have an amazing evening, day, morning, whatever time you're watching this. Thanks for joining me on this journey today, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Good night.